The ARCCAPTAIN ARC205 Pro Stick Welder impresses with its powerful 205 amp output, making it versatile for a variety of welding tasks involving different rod types. Its innovative app connectivity allows users to control and monitor the welder from up to 15 meters away, enhancing convenience and usability for both beginners and experienced welders. The machine's automatic current and voltage matching feature simplifies operation, especially for novices, while the intuitive LED interface ensures easy data viewing and adjustment. Safety and durability are prioritized with features like a smart cooling system and comprehensive protection against electrical issues, ensuring reliability and longevity. This 2-in-1 welding machine offers both stick and lift TIG modes, providing flexibility for welding various metals and ensuring smooth, high-quality welds. Weighing only 8.2 pounds, the welder's lightweight and portable design, complete with a shoulder strap, makes it easy to transport and store, making it ideal for on-the-go tasks.